Hi, Ivana. I agree with your analysis of what holds those two alpha helices together. Due to those seven leucine residues in a row in like those particular segments of the leucine zipper, hydrophobic effects definitely plays a strong role in keeping it together. Obviously, because leucine is a hydrophobic amino acids. So the more hydrophobic amino acids you have together, there's just a more strong effect, a more strong bonding there. So I agree. Also, you said that electrostatic interactions between the lysine and glutamate also keep it together, which I agree as well. I think you did make a good observation that disulfide bonds probably also play a role since as you go up in like the protein folding hierarchy, they those sulfide bonds come into play there as well. I agree that aspartate and histidine could replace lysine and glutamate due to their opposing charges of their side chains, but um, I chose arginine instead of histidine, and that's only because I wasn't sure if histidine's aromatic side chain would affect anything.